ICMR's National Institute for Research in Reproductive and Child Health, or NIRRCH, is India's leading institute for research, diagnosis and management of reproductive and child health issues in India. Located in the heart of Mumbai and initially known as Institute for Research in Reproduction, NIRRCH was established by Dr. Shanta Rao as a family planning institute in 1954. From the genesis of India's first scientifically documented test tube baby, Harsha, in 1986, to the development of the country's first ELISA-based pregnancy kit, ICMR NIRRCH has been a pioneer in its field. The institute provides quality care to women and children through its integrated network of Family Welfare Clinic at BJ Wadia Hospital, Child Health Clinic at Abhyuday Nagar, and Bone Health Clinic in Naigaon. These clinics offer nutritional guidance for women and children. Doctors also provide counseling on family planning, sex education, management of reproductive and sexually transmitted infections. The institute also houses Andrology Clinic and the Infertility and Reproductive Endocrinology Clinic. The Genetic Research Center of the institute offers free genetic counseling and prenatal screening for common genetic disorders. Apart from clinical services, the institute conducts path-breaking research in the field of reproductive health through its national research centers. The institute's Bioinformatics Center has been recognized as DBT Center for Advanced Research for Women and Child Health. The Toxicology Center collaborates with academic and industrial organizations for preclinical reproductive and genetic toxicology of various drug formulations. The institute's Model Rural Health Research Unit, MRHRU, in the Hanu, provides diagnostic facilities for diseases such as dengue, chikungunya, SARS-CoV-2 and leptospirosis. The institute has excellent state-of-the-art research facilities for DNA sequencing, confocal and electron microscopy, droplet digital PCR and flow cytometry. With the introduction of the Cobus 6800 machine, inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2020, the institute played a pivotal role in increasing the testing capacity of the country. With this and the new BSL-3 laboratory, the institute is now better prepared at handling emerging pathogens. Some of the research findings are on the path of commercialization. The Health Technology Assessment Hub of the Institute, through their analysis, have helped policymakers to arrive at informed health-related decisions. The scientists work very closely with the local, state and central health departments to create models of service deliveries for improved access to different reproductive and child health issues. NIRRCH offers PhD programs in affiliation with the University of Mumbai and Maharashtra University of Health Sciences. The research conducted at the institute is published in high-impact journals. With an excellent team of basic, clinical and operational research scientists, along with its supporting staff, NIRRCH is committed towards advancing India's reproductive and child health by translating cutting-edge research into better health outcomes for the public.